We are looking at a right triangle that has three sides. They're called legs. So this would be A, this would be B, this would be C. And we're looking at the angle here being 90 degrees. So the Pythagorean theorem says that the sums of the squares of the two legs is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So if I look at this problem, it says use the Pythagorean theorem in a definition of the principal square root. Principal square root means the positive square root. So when you're looking at the square root of b squared, it's equal either to b if b is positive, or it's equal to the absolute value of b if b is negative. So what you're looking at is the principal square root means the square root positive. So apply the Pythagorean theorem. It says that what you are looking at is that you have a hypotenuse of 15, and you have, because the numbers are kind of jostled here, a vertical leg of 9, and what we're looking for is b. So we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a is 9. 9 squared plus b squared equals hypotenuse squared, which is 15. And then you get 81 plus b squared equals 225. B squared equals 225, subtract 81. B squared equals 144. B equals the square root of 144. And this is the principal square root of 144. So I'm not sure where they got feet because there's no feet in the problem. But the square root of 44 is 12. It says a store has a ramp to its front door to accommodate the handicapped. If the distance from the door to the end of the ramp is 25 feet, the height from the ground to the front door is 7. How long is the ramp? So the distance how long is the ramp is the distance from the door to the end of the ramp is 25 feet, and the height from the ground to the front doors is 7. And that's what we're looking for. How long is the ramp? So this then says that 7 squared plus b squared equals 25. 49 plus b squared equals 25 squared, which is 625. B squared equals 625 minus 49. So that b squared equals 674. So b is the square root of 674, or b equals 26 feet. So the length of the ramp is 26 feet. On this problem, it says, on a sunny day, a building and its shadow form the sides of a right triangle. If the hypotenuse is 37 meters long, so that's this side here is 37 meters long, the shadow is 21 meters, that puts the shadow at 21. How tall is the building? So this is going to be essentially the height of the building. So using the Pythagorean theorem, I know that a squared plus 21 squared equals 37 squared. So that a squared plus 21 squared which is 441, equals 1369, so that a squared equals 1369, subtract 441. A squared equals 928. So that a is the square root of 928, which is approximately, using my calculator, 30.5 meters. 30.5 meters. This is the height of the building.